natin guys, lupit talaga ng ZX 4RR. Ayan, ang makina nito is 399cc, 4 stroke, inline 4, overhead cam, 16 valve, liquid cooled, at horsepower nito is 75 estimated. At itong suspension front natin is 37mm inverted fork with SFF BP internals, tsaka spring preload adjustability. Ang brake naman natin sa harapan is dual 290mm disc ABS, tapos sa likod is single 220mm disc ABS na rin siya. Ang sukat ng tire front natin is 120 by 70 by 17, tsaka sa likod naman is 160 by 60 by 17. Ang fuel tank capacity nito is 10 liters. Tsaka yung seat height nito guys is 800mm, 31.5 inches. May timbang tong ZX 4RR ng 188 kilograms guys. At yung ibang aspects dito guys is may assist and sleeper clutch, economical riding indicator, tapos KTRC is Kawasaki traction control, tsaka Kawasaki quick shifter na rin to guys. maraming salamat kay Boss Sapshot sa pagpapairam ng Kawasaki ZX 4RR at credit na rin sa may-ari ng halimaw na motor na to. Ayan, maraming salamat po at God bless po sa atin.
Grabe! Paano to? Umuulan na dun ah. Ha? Umuulan dun? Pambol.
Salamat po at sa mga sumusubaybay ng aking YouTube channel sa YouTube. Maraming salamat po sa ating lahat.